In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpark a domain on GoDaddy step by step, so you can point your domain to your own hosting instead of the default parked page. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully so your website connects properly and your DNS settings stay clean. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and domain tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can manage all of your products and services. From there, click on My Products. This is where GoDaddy shows all the domains and services connected to your account. Next, under the Domains section, select the domain you want to unpark. If you own more than one domain, make sure you choose the correct one, because the DNS changes you make will affect only that domain. After selecting it, look for the DNS or Manage DNS option and click it. This will open the DNS Management page where all your records are listed. Now you need to remove the parking or default A records. These are the records that usually point the domain to the parked page instead of your website. Look through the existing records carefully and delete any default or parked A records that are currently controlling the root domain. If you're not sure which ones are parking records, compare them with the instructions from your hosting provider before deleting anything important. Once the old parking records are removed, the next step is to add a new A record. Click to add a new record, then choose A as the record type. In the host field, enter the @ symbol. This tells GoDaddy that the record applies to the main root version of your domain. In the Points To field, enter your hosting IP address. This is the IP address provided by your web host, and it's what tells the domain where your site is actually located. If you don't have your hosting IP yet, check your hosting dashboard or welcome email before continuing. After that, you'll also want to add or update your CNAME record. This helps make sure the www version of your domain points to the same place as the root domain. For the CNAME record, set the host to www. Then in the Points To field, enter your domain name, such as yourdomain.com. This makes sure visitors can reach your site whether they type the www version or not. In many cases, this is a key step for keeping your site consistent and avoiding redirect issues. Before saving, double-check everything carefully. Make sure the A record points to the correct hosting IP, and make sure the CNAME points to the correct domain name. A small typo here can prevent your website from loading correctly, so it's worth taking an extra moment to review each field. Once everything looks good, click Save. After saving, remember that DNS changes do not always happen instantly. In some cases, it can take a few minutes, but in other cases, it may take several hours for the changes to fully update across the internet. So if your site doesn't appear right away, don't panic. Give it some time and check again later. And that's it. You've successfully unparked your GoDaddy domain and pointed it toward your own hosting. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other domain or website setup steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.